Hello everybody, it is Monday and we are hanging out, being isolated due to the coronavirus. I know a lot of you have been asking how Mohegan and Dreidel are. So we got Mohegan right over here, my yellow one. That is my baby lovebird that was born here months ago. And then this is baby Dreidel, who was also born here months ago. And that's my baby Parrotlet. I wanted to do a little experiment to see if I can raise a lovebird and a Parrotlet together as babies and have them get along, and it absolutely worked. They are attached at the wing. They absolutely adore each other. We'll see when they get older. They're two girls, so when they start getting really hormonal, I don't know if that's going to change, but we will find out. But for now, they absolutely love each other. Are you tired, Dreidel? Are you tired? Huh? Little Dre is tired, huh? And we got Sammy over here playing with Bob, of course. And we got Princess CleoCATtra. And we got Botan and Mojo. They are doing social distancing due to Botan's bornovirus, avian bornovirus. And we got Rocker up there, my Quaker Parrot. And then we have my other Quaker Parrot Yossie, who's right over here. Right, yes, yes? Yes, my baby. Yes, my baby. Yes, I love you so much. I love you so much. And then we got little Princess CleoCATtra thinking she's a bird and she's going to hang out and go to sleep on the bird perch. She's the silliest cat in the world. She came from Egypt. She lived on the streets of Egypt and Cairo for 4 years until she was flown to me in New York a few years ago. So she's obsessed with newspaper. There's newspaper up there, and she must have slept on newspapers on the street in Egypt. Who do we got there? We got Django and Paulie. There's Django. Come here, Django. Come here. Uh-oh. Now we got birdies flying. We got birdies flying. Wait, hold on. I had to do a little bird collecting because these guys love to fly around now. Now I don't know where Django went. Django came to fly to me. And now I don't know where the bird is. Somewhere around. Are you guys loving that millet? It's so yummy. What are you doing, Princess? You're a weirdo cat. You're a weirdo. And I don't know where Monkey is. Monkey is somewhere. Sammy, what are you doing? Come here, Sam. Sammy. Sammy. Come here, Sam. You calling Sammy? You calling Sammy? Thank you, Mojo. You guys making noises? Call the dog. There you go. Call the dog. Call the dog. Can you call the dog? There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job, Mo. Mojo. So we're having fun here while we're isolating, hanging out with all the birds, hanging out with all the kids. I am definitely utilizing my time to be with them. Yep. It is so awesome to spend all this time with them. You're loving that millet, huh? So we hope you guys are having a great day. It's Monday. We hope you're getting things done that you need to get done. You have been given the gift of time. So try to get things done that you have never had time to do. Get it done now. This is the perfect time. That's what I'm doing, getting stuff done in the house that I really need to get done. And guys, stop hoarding the food. You don't need to hoard food. Toilet paper, paper towels, food. It will all be there. Don't worry. Don't worry. Get what you need, and then next time you need to go shopping, just get more. They always will restock the supermarket, so don't worry. Are you sleepy, Dreidel? Are you sleepy? Come here. You want to say hi to everyone again? Here, say hi. Say hi. My little Yossie. My little Yossie, my Quaker. Want to go on your back? You want to go on your back? Huh? You're just the cutest. Yossie's the best. Yossie is just my little angel bird. You like that? You want to bite on my nail? You want to bite on my nail? You don't bite my nail like that. Don't take that. You're silly. What are you getting under my nail? Don't do that. Don't do that. What, you want to go back? You want to go back? Yes, he loves to be on his back. You want to go this way? You want to go this way? You want to go on your back again? Yossie. So yeah, we're just relaxing today and just enjoying and trying to decompress, watch TV, have some coffee, enjoy the animals, not watching the news. Yep. What are you kids doing? What are you kids doing? Huh? Anyway, guys, I'm going to go have fun with them. We're hoping you are having an awesome, awesome day. We want you to stay safe, stay healthy, and know how much we love you. We love you to the moon and back. Yes, we do. Yes, Yossie. Yossie wants to give me kisses. I know. I know. You're a kissing machine. You are a kissing machine. I know. Yes, yes. I know. I love this bird. I love all my birds. They are just all perfect. Sammy is perfect. Anyway, guys. We'll see you later. Love you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.